Ease of use. Support for industry-standard entertainment graphics software, affordably priced. These are just a few of the reasons why the Microscribe Digitizer is used by major animation studios and game developers to create lifelike 3D characters and images in a fraction of the time it would take using entertainment graphics software alone. Now, Immersion is joining forces with RSI, the innovator in 3D laser scanners, to help graphic artists like you take realism to the next level. With the RSI 3D laser scanner, the Microscribe Digitizer makes high-performance laser scanning more affordable, so you can rapidly capture physical models with complex shapes and surfaces. The Microscribe Digitizer and RSI 3D laser solution interfaces with Maya, 3ds Max, and other industry-standard software, allowing seamless transfer of the data you collect. In the past, creating 3D models meant you had to manually enter data directly into your entertainment graphics software. Or you could have saved time with the Microscribe Touch Probe. But even with the Touch Probe, first you had to scribe the physical model with a grid to be sure you collected all the data points you needed to create a lifelike virtual 3D model. As an example, you might want to digitize this character model. Because of its complex curves and details, digitizing with a touch probe and modeling with 3D graphics software could take days. Using the Microscribe Digitizer and the laser solution, it took less than an hour to digitize the same model. By scanning the laser across the surface of the model, you can capture data in a wide band that appears on screen in real time as the skin of a point cloud. The point cloud can then be converted easily into a virtual 3D model. In addition to being fast, the solution renders comprehensive models, capturing up to 28,000 data points a second. This means your virtual 3D model has the same type of texture and intricate details of an ear or an eye as your physical model. Rotary laser scanning products can't always access cavities or recesses. The Microscribe RSI laser solution can capture the rich detail that audiences and gamers have come to expect. Also, unlike rotary or closed box scanners, the size of your model isn't limited by the size of the scanner. The Microscribe RSI laser solution can capture models of most any size, big or small. The Microscribe Digitizer and RSI laser scanner. Together, they can deliver shorter development cycles along with more realistic animation and images, all at a very affordable price. For more information, follow the link on screen and enter your contact information. An authorized Microscribe reseller will contact you shortly. You will also be directed to additional information about the Microscribe Digitizer and RSI laser scanner.